What is up everyone, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today we will be doing a different segment apart from the other episodes that we had in line. And today we will be talking about Hot Wheels. So we will be reviewing and in detail we will be explaining what are the new premiums and the team transports that are to be released this year. And it's gonna be an amazing set of releases that are coming in, and hopefully we will be able to get them into the channel and show you guys as well. So starting off with, we have our first premium set. We have the British horsepower, and as I said, there are 5 sets, and starting off with, we have the Land Rover Defender, the hardtop in dark green, and we have the Lotus Esprit S1 in yellow. We have a Morris Mini in orange with 850 on the door shelf, and we have a Jaguar lightweight E-Type in white livery, as well as the all-time favorite McLaren F1 GTR in the Golf livery. Moving on, we have another Boulevard series coming in 2021, and starting off with first, we have the all-time favorite Subaru WRX STI in the famous blue and gold livery. And next in, we have the Chevy Nova 63 in the purple livery, as well as the Mazda Cosmo Sports in the white and blue livery. And last but not least, we have the 64 Big Rivera in red, and also the Volkswagen Drag Bus in the Moon Eyes livery. So that is it for the Boulevard series. Moving on to the next premium set we have in line, we have the Fast Wagon series by Hot Wheels, and starting off with we have 2017 Audi Rs6, which is a grey, and we have the Volvo 850 Estate, which is coming in the yellow livery, and as well as we have a 64 Chevy Nova panel, which is coming in a sort of a grey mix light blue livery. Also, we have another Volvo in line, and that is the P220 Amazon Wagon. Also, last but not least, we have the 69 Nissan Skyline van. So what good without a JDM in the list? So we have the Nissan Skyline van. Then we have a few sets which are advertised, and this is the Connie livery Volkswagen T1, the panel bus, and also we have the Blistin Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop, which is coming in light blue and white livery, and also the Hooker's Header custom, and as well as the Michelin custom GMC panel van. And last but not least, we have the MBK van, which is coming in the HKS livery. And coming on to the retro segment of the Hot Wheels premium sets, at first we have the Knight Rider. So the Knight Rider Kit Super Pursuit is coming up, and then we have the Master of Universe Battle Ram, the Thundercats Classic Thundercats Thunder Tank, also the Forza Horizon 4 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTX, and the all-time favorite Koenigsegg Agera R from the Gumball series. Hot Wheels is also coming up with a German model set, and these are coming in a 5 premium pack. Starting off with, at first, we have the Volkswagen T1 panel bus in the red Porsche livery, and also we have a Porsche 959 from 1986 in the white livery. Also we have the most famous Mercedes-Benz 300 AMG in the red livery, and also the Audi S4, and also the BMW M3 E46 in the blue livery. Now we are coming up to the team transport segment from Hot Wheels, and these are the team transports that are to be released in 2021. And starting off with the first team transport set in line, first we have the Volkswagen Buzzer Bug and the Horizon Howler in the orange and yellow livery. Also we have the 32 Ford and the Speed Wave, and we have the 18 Dodge Challenger with the retro rig, and the BMW M3 E46 with the aero lift. First set is done, and we are moving on to the second set, and this is the most famous, and people are looking out for this set because a lot of new famous releases of liveries are coming in for the team transport. And we are starting off with a 3 set. Starting off with, we have the 65 Mercury with the Ford C800 in the red and white livery. Also for the JDM fans, we have the famous Advan livery, and it's coming with the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 and also the Sakura Sprinter with the Advan livery, and it's gonna be a massive sellout, and hopefully we will be able to get that into our channel as well. And next in line we have another famous livery, which is the Golf livery. Golf livery is actually coming up with a surprisingly new car, and that is the Lancia Rally Car. So the Lancia Rally Car is coming up with the Aero Howler, and this is the final team transport set we have for today. And hope you guys enjoy the video, and as always, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And we will be coming up with all the new Hot Wheels releases that are to be released in 2021 and forward, and we will be bringing you all the in details of the main lines, the Super Treasure Hunts, team transports, premium sets and other new special editions and releases as well. So hope you guys tune into our channel, and hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys on another video very soon.